Where are we going?
Dangerous.
Where are we going?
We're going to Park City.
And what are we doing there?
We're going to the Park Silly Festival.
Alright. And what's gonna be there?
Food vendors and food trucks, and there's gonna be like little booths. So it's kind of like a big farmers market on the main street of Park City. And there's like performers like Lovebird and live music. And it's apparently every Sunday. This is the first Sunday. It's every Sunday till September.
It's gonna be fun. Olivia's with too.
Hi. My sister.
Alright, let's do it.
Hey guys. So we made it to Park City. We found parking. It's 24-hour parking. Down there though, it's $5 an hour, which seems kind of pricey.
That adds up if you're here for a few hours. So.
Yeah, unless you're a baller, I wouldn't park there. Anywho, it's on the main street of Park City. It's supposed to be vendors. We're gonna go check it out. That's so cool. Here you go.
These tracks are so loose, you can turn really sharp. Turn so sharp. Yeah, we're gonna. I just got a beer, but all three of us are gonna get each a different type of food, and then all try it out. So.
Duck fries, and we have a gyro, and we have beer and lemonade.
Right.
It's really, really hot out. We got this pineapple. It's a $10 pineapple to share, but I recommend finding some shade because my feet are getting really sunburnt. And like there's a sign that says like hold your dog or like put your shoes on your dog because it'll burn their feet. So be prepared, wear sunscreen, stay hydrated.
Yeah, I got some cool jam preservative and got to try out some yummy food. Nice. And ride a cool longboard, which is fun. So yeah.
And I've just eaten all day.
We're gonna head back to the car. Slowly, probably, but if you guys like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in our next video.
Bye!